Hello, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, and this is Blake, who's about to feature this 2012 Toyota Corolla, and I'm David. So get ready for a nice little video here.
And we're coming to you from AlphaCars Ural of New England in Hampton, New Hampshire, and it's a beautiful sunny day. We have this 2012 Toyota Corolla LE with 125,000 miles on it. This is a one-owner car. Always serviced at Toyota. We took this in trade on a Mercedes, and we're going to walk around the car and show you how clean this is overall. We'll start here with the tires. The tires on this car are probably, I'd say, 70 to 80%. They were done about 10,000 miles ago along with the brakes. So mechanically, this car doesn't need anything. It's ready to hit the road. And I'll show you just a couple little cosmetic imperfections on the outside of the car, and other than those, that's really all there is to say about this. It's an extremely clean, well-maintained car. You see the headlights are not sandblasted or anything, which is common with cars when you get up to that mileage. These are very clean. A couple little things on the front bumper. You've got a little bit of a crack there in the front bumper, but nothing major or abnormal. You have one here in the middle, and then a little crack right there, but nothing, again, nothing major or abnormal for the mileage. Let's take a walk around this side. Again, brakes, tires, all good. Just recently had an oil change as well, so again, you really won't have to do anything to this car. We'll take a look at the inside. This is a non-smoker car. It's extremely clean, no smells or anything. I know you can't smell it in the video, but trust us, there's no permanent stains or anything on the upholstery. Very clean, no rips, tears. You see a little bit of, this is flaking off a little bit here in the middle around the shifter, but again, nothing major. Otherwise, this is all very clean. None of the buttons are worn. And we'll move to the back. Take a look at that. Back, same as the front. Cloth is very, very clean. No rips, tears.
Looks like she didn't have any passengers.
No, it literally looks like nobody ever rode in the back seat, I guess. But I cannot confirm that, so we'll come around the back. You see the paint's very, very clean. Couple little scuffs on the hubcaps, but that's normal. And it's actually amazing that it still has all four hubcaps. It's very common. You'll commonly see Corollas going down the road with missing hubcaps. They tend to pop off, but this one does have all four. Couple little light scratches here on the trunk. Nothing major. This isn't very good condition. A lot of times you see this part of the trunk all broken and scuffed up from loading and unloading. Take a look inside. Trunk's very clean. You still have your spare with all the tools and everything, so that was never used. Pop the seats down. This has a... Oh, hi, Dave.
Hey, Blake.
This has a 60/40 split fold seat, which is an option on these. And it's nice to have for many different reasons.
If you're a skier here in New England, you can pop the skis or snowboard in there like myself.
You've got a couple little scratches here on the rear quarter. Pretty light, nothing major.
That one hubcap is broken. It could be replaced.
Couple scratches here on the rear door, but nothing that will prevent the car from getting you where you need to go. So we'll pop the hood too, and I'll fire it up.
As you can see, 125,389 miles, 40 degrees out.
No warning lights on.
Excuse the garbage truck in the background.
Four cylinders of Fury. You see here, it runs very smooth. The car starts right up. Great, reliable, economical vehicle, which has many hundreds of thousands of miles left to go for its next happy owner.
Well, thank you for checking out our video, and I'll let Blake say a couple more words. And
You can view this car at AlphaCars.com, or you can call us here in New Hampshire at 603-585-5085. Have a great day.
thank you.